Phil Spencer, Le Cuisinier de Ménage, the household chef. Today we're going to make a classic French sauce, Sauce Au Poivre Vert, or green peppercorn sauce. Very easy to make, as you will see. It's most commonly used on steak, but as it is one of my favorite sauces, I find it goes incredibly well with chicken. So let's get started avec le Sauce Au Poivre Vert. A fillet of beef, and I'm just cooking it simply in a little bit of olive oil and butter until it's medium rare. We'll cook that steak till it's medium rare and then set it aside to rest. Put that tablespoon of butter in and we'll add the shallots and the garlic, cooking them till they're translucent and fragrant. Flambe or not to flambe, a very important question. If you are uncomfortable, just go ahead and put the brandy in the pan, deglaze the pan with it, and the alcohol will cook out in just a couple of minutes. If you do flambe, just be careful, and it does add another level of flavor to this dish. I'm going to go ahead and add the stock, and I'm just going to let it reduce by about half, and I'll just stir occasionally. It's on a medium-low heat at this point. And then we'll add the peppercorns, which I have about 7 that are whole peppercorns, and just kind of mix that all in. You can see the sauce is thickening up. I'm going to go ahead and add the cream. Still under medium-low heat, and we'll just be stirring it occasionally as we wait for the sauce to thicken. All right, what you didn't see me do was add the drippings from the resting meat into this sauce. And we're still stirring, and we're looking for a nappe consistency, which is when I run my finger across the spoon, you see the line, just like that. When you see it look like that, the sauce is complete, and enjoy.